Joining us now from Philadelphia is the American attorney for Amanda Knox, Ted Simon. Mr. Simon, good morning.
Good morning.
In this appeals trial, you're asking for Amanda to be released from prison altogether, for the conviction to be overturned, and the prosecution is asking for her to serve even more time, life in prison. Are you afraid that this could backfire on you and Amanda could be worse off than she is right now?
No, we think not. I mean, you've been following this case, as so many people in the country have been following this case, and it's absolutely clear that there is no forensic evidence of any sort of Amanda Knox in the room where Meredith Kercher was sadly and tragically killed or on her person. And given the fact that this was a very violent, a terrible murder, one would think that would have to be. So we think there's a complete absence of physical evidence. There's no question about that.
The jury in Amanda's case said that they believed that the forensic evidence was key to her conviction, and in fact, you've already had a request to have a third party review that evidence denied. What makes you think that this jury will see it any differently?
Well, we believe, for example, the DNA issue. Many people in the United States have come to believe that conventional DNA testing will convict the guilty and exonerate the innocent, and we believe that as well. However, most of the public is unaware that the type of testing that was employed in this case was very controversial, and it was an unreliable test known as low copy number or low template number. This is something that is not recognized as being truly accepted and reliable, and it's subject to unreliable results. So we have consulted some of the world's leading experts that would say this, and we believe this is simply unreliable testing yielding unreliable results.
I know that it's a while before this appeals trial gets underway, but if it fails, is it over for Amanda?
No, it's not over. We're encouraged by this appeal because in Italy, unlike the United States, there's a broader review than there is in the U.S. And not only the legal issues, but the factual issues can be revisited. We're hopeful that this appeal will be recognized as meritorious, but in any event, she has a further appeal to the Supreme Court.
Ted Simon, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.